Aren't you tired of the confusion we are having? In the previous council, you presented to us the next year. You told us that we are waiting for the guidance from the ministry. With me, I'm having a honorable councillors. Last time Honorable Kalinda said that this issue should be settled between me and the chairperson. I'm having a copy with me from the minister. It was sent to us on 18th. I received it on 18th. So I'm feeling offended as one who sits in an office. Chairperson, bwawulikikanga alimba. Bwabanga yatugamba the receive the document. The copy I have with me from the minister, we received it on 18th. Secondly, we were waiting for the guidance of the minister, the line minister of local government. Why don't we humble in this August house? Chairperson, why don't we humble ourselves and we do what's required of us? Where are we taking the district with this saga? Honorable members, me am tired of everything of service condition. It makes me even cry. I'm having very much allegations about this. Chairperson, please, Chairperson, save our council from shame. Save us, please. Please. Let's have this resolved.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. And now I'm officially receiving it in my office. What should make me cry if I'm doing my duty as a servant leader? Yes. I've come, I'm doing my job, and I don't want to jump anything. I want to procedurally follow what the law requires. The Honorable Minister has advised. It's up to me to take his advice or not. This is a guidance. It is not a legal instrument from the Solicitor General. And I've talked to my Honorable Minister as a colleague that I've received. Thank you very much for your letter. My executive is going to receive it, internalize it, discuss, and make appropriate action. I want to remind you, Honorable Councillor, that 4 times we are missing out with this name. Why should we continue leaving out other people who are ready to serve Mukono because of one special person? What special interest is vested in that important person? Moreover, when he has petitions of moral and integrity against that name, will it be fair if I stand before the podium and just pass out names? That's why I'm the chairman of the district who is empowered and authorized through executive to present names for you after completely analyzing, sieving, following the moral conduct, the integrity of the people, and referring to all relevant organs guide me. I want to tell you, Honorable Speaker, that the minister has not really helped us. Even one of the petitioners was being arrested and threatened not to come and continue with his support of the petition. Is that fair to the people of Mukono who elected us to give them justice and fairness? Not at all. I think I'm not going down at all. If it takes me years and years, I will continue with this. I stand open.
That as a person, I'm not even interested in this. And I haven't received any money from this woman. But what concerns me are the urban authorities. And this person was appointed to us by the urban authorities. Chairperson, were the urban authorities served with the allegations and what action did they take?
That's why now they have started going on threatening them. Is that fair? Now I've received a communication from Haji Moses Chibongo, the Vice Chairman of Rwanda, ordering me to go ahead and present their name.
No. Can that
Is
go
this
on
fair?
record?
Yes.
The matter is even becoming political. When I told you at first, when the lady and another gentleman made their petition to the minister, the first petition was no council has refused to approve them because they are NRM. And I challenged the minister on both moral and integrity issues. Today, the minister is changing the goalpost to talk about having state technical officers to do the due diligence. What due diligence have they done? Meeting the C.O.U, meeting with the other officers. Who was that person made? I think procedurally it would have been better to summon those people who petition, either in service commission or by the Minister of Local Government, but beginning now to chase around those people and intimidate them. You were the person who challenged me having presented those names because I've not made Stella Chiondo chairperson. And I said, these are my powers, Honorable Speaker.
Yes.
I don't enter in your seat to preside over this council. Leave me to do my work. When you wanted a person on the lands committee as chairperson, I offered him to do it. Then you wanted to take on what is that? I don't want to miss my words, and my words are very clear.
I would like to thank the chairperson for his communication. The Works Committee, did you discuss this matter? No, you have not.
You are chairman of finance committee.
Procedure, Madam Speaker.
Wrong. Wrong. That is wrong.
Procedure, Madam Speaker. Procedure, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, procedure.
We are political scientists. And His Excellency the President should note that as he thinks and envisages on increasing remuneration for scientists and technical officers, he should also think about you councillors as a political science whose clinics keep up attending to people day to day in your own constituencies. And that was my remarks on that important day. I thank you so much. Analyze and see how we are going to proceed presenting the last names on these committees in the next council. I have also had time to talk to the minister and I've briefed him that today we are having council, but we are having 2 pending names from the urban council. In his communication, he had addressed himself only to 1 committee, but the petitioners were 2. And we are waiting for further communication from him so that we can handle that in our subsequent executives. And I want to assure and promise you that in the next council, we are going to present to you the last 2 names from the urban councils as discussed and resolved from the executive. That a district service commission shall consist of 1, a chairperson, 1 member representing PWDs, 1 member representing urban authorities, and other 2 members. The Act also says 1/3 of whom shall be women. DEP has to recommend, Council appoints, and Public Service Commission approves. In the exercise of the above, DEP under Minute 95A MKN DEP/202221/22 went ahead and carefully looked at the qualifications of the recommended persons as provided for under Section 56(1) of the Local Government Act, CAP 243. In the view of the above, DEP recommended the under-mentioned to take up the task. 1. Mr. Semakula Badru Idris, who is a resident of Nagalama, the Chief of Nagalama Town Council. He was earlier on approved by the Public Service Commission as a member of District Service Commission. However, on the recommendation of Council, DEC seeks to appoint him as the chairperson of the District Service Commission. He was already approved by the Service Commission in Kampala. 2. Mr. Arthur Bleak Mugerwa was also appointed by this council and was approved by the Public Service Commission as a member representing people with disability. 3. The council went ahead to propose 2 more names that would like to be appointed by this council and to send them to the District Service, to the Service Commission in Kampala for their approval. Engineer Godfrey Chibuka Kisule, PhD, to be a member of this committee, and Mrs. Nakatwa Lydia, member.